Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to change the default language in Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. You'll see three vertical dots, which is the main menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on Settings. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page where you can customize nearly every aspect of your browsing experience, including the language settings we're about to adjust. Now, once you're in the settings page, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll notice a sidebar with different categories. Find and click on Languages. This section controls all language-related preferences in Chrome, from what language Chrome displays in to how it handles translations of web pages. Next, you'll see an option that says Add Languages. Click on it to open a comprehensive list of available languages. This is where you'll select which language you want Chrome to use as your default interface language. The list contains hundreds of languages, so you can choose the one that works best for you. Browse through the list and find the language you want to set as your default. Once you've found it, click the checkbox that appears before the language name to select it. After you've checked the box, click the Add button to add this language to your Chrome language preferences. This adds the language to your list, but doesn't immediately make it your default yet. Now that your chosen language appears in your language list, you'll notice three dots next to it. Click on those three dots to reveal a small menu with additional options. From this menu, select Display Google Chrome in this language. This tells Chrome that you want the entire browser interface, including menus, settings, and notifications, to appear in your newly selected language. After selecting this option, Chrome will prompt you with a button that says Relaunch. Click on Relaunch to restart your browser. This step is necessary because Chrome needs to reload all its interface elements in your new default language. The browser will close and reopen automatically, and when it comes back, everything will be displayed in the language you just selected. And that's it. Your Google Chrome browser is now running in your preferred language. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.